Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. In this video, I will be talking about another stock which is about to get a short squeeze most probably, and this ticker symbol is AMC. We all know about AMC. We love movies, but we also know like due to the coronavirus, they have been losing money and the stock price is going down and down, and currently the stock price is below $4. However, just looking at the chart, I think there is a falling wedge breakout pattern, and that is why I want to introduce this video to you. So in this video, I will be talking mostly on the chart pattern and how we can get some benefit playing some option or playing some shares. I will rather make it quick and in short so that it will not take like more than 5 minutes. So let's see. So last week we had like massive gain from short squeeze, and we know that there are some other stocks which could explode this coming week. So AMC is one of them, which has a short interest of 68.9%. If you go to other platform, maybe you can see it varies, but in general the short interest is high, so there is a chance of short squeeze like we see for GME or BBBY, and there could be some short squeeze coming this coming week. So let's go to the chart. So the chart is like showing on a daily chart. It's coming from September. You can see the stock price is coming down, and then last Friday you see there is a huge volume here. So it's showing that like the chart is breaking that pattern. So what we did, that was a falling wedge pattern. So on Friday we just about to break, actually we broke that pattern. So currently we went up to 3.8, then we came down to 3.5, and you can see the volume bar here. So, and we all love like falling wedge breakout pattern, so it can go higher. So that is why I'm introducing this particular video. So let's make some support and resistance and see like how can we benefit from this. And also look at the chart, on the daily chart on Friday. Like you can see that like after 12 o'clock suddenly the stock price ran up from 2.9, it went up to like 3.8, then it came down, but you see the stock price is holding above that $3.4 mark. And also you can see the wicks, like when it came, then some people bought and it's staying there. So I see like a huge volume, huge interest, and it could explode this coming week. Okay, so let's draw some support and resistance for this stock. If you see, it probably making a W shape, so this stock price can go up to here like around $5 mark, or you can come up to $7 mark. So let's put some line. I think the first one we would say around this one, $7, the top here. Then the other one should be around here, 3.8, 3.9, around this place. So you see the stock price like bounce here a couple of times. Then I also wanna look at some other lines here. So definitely this particular line, I think around $2, even though we know like it's below, maybe the stock price will never come back, or it can come back at $2, then it can bounce back. I also want to move in the 15-minute chart. Sometime like when you go on a lower frame, it gives you some extra information, and I'm gonna zoom out so that I can see it better. Okay, so $4, I got one. I think there should be something here, right? Like right above here, around maybe around this area. So you can see like around 2.8 mark, it bounced off few times, it bounced off here also, like we can see a couple of times here. So yeah, 2.8 is a good support, then 3.8 is a good one. If I go a little higher, maybe around $5. Yeah, I see it's bouncing here, then some resistance here, some resistance here. So long term, like $7, $5, 3.8, and then you have around 2.79, and then again you have $2 and 2.8. So these are some of the resistance here. So you get the picture, right, how the stock price is moving. So personally, what you can do, like there are many things, like this company can go bankrupt, and So you can play long if you think like with time this stock will go high, then definitely you can be long or you can be short. So it's up to you. Like you can wait and you can just wait for a pullback. If it might come back to around like 2.8 again, or it can come back even at the below, then you can buy, or you can just wait and watch. If I move the chart to a daily level, here you can see on the RSI and MACD, the RSI is very high, the MACD is also very high, so it could explode. It could be a short-term play, and if you are long, then it's up to you. I also want to show you the option for this particular play if you are short term and if you really want to gain some quick profit. So the option expiry date for February 19th, you can choose even like 29th of January or something, but just give it some time, give it 1 month. So 19th of February, the option is very cheap, like a $3 strike. The strike price is 1.2 and the delta is 71. So it's meaning that if the stock price, if it moves $1, then you will get like $71 profit. And also by February 19th, if the stock price goes to like $4.2, then you will be in profit, or that's your break even thing. So it's very cheap. Like you can go with $120, or you can choose the strike price of 3.5, and like then the premium is like $1. So it's very cheap. If you want, you can buy some share, you can play, or if you're really short term, you can also take the advantage of option, because the option can give you good profit. Like let's say the stock price leaves around this mark and it goes to $5 there, so there's a $1 increase. And if you choose the strike price of, let's say, $3, so with $1 is strike, so you spend $120 and you can get like $71, so like almost 70-80% profit. So not bad. So I haven't decided how I will play this. Most probably I will buy some share Monday morning, and if I see it's breaking out, and then maybe I can just jump with some option opportunity, or if I see it's coming down and it's hitting the support, then maybe I will buy some option. There are many plays for this coming week, so I'm thinking like which one to pick, because you can play like each and every play, so you have to decide which one you will like and which one you want to pay. Anyway, if you think this information is useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Take care, my friends. Peace.